Which symbol is which? Full disclosure, this illustration was stolen from my mom, who taught math for many years. We're going to match the symbol with the vocab word that goes with it. First up, we have minus, and we of course have a minus sign, a little horizontal dash. Next is subtract, and you'll notice we have the same symbol. Next vocab word is negative, and you will notice it's the same symbol again. And lastly, opposite, which is the same symbol. Now, of course, the point of that illustration is to note that we have one symbol and 4 different vocab words that go with it. On the right, let's take a look at a few examples of how we use these words interchangeably. So the most common way to say this is probably 9 minus 6, but you could also hear 9 subtract 6 or subtract 6 from 9. Next one is the same problem, but written a different way. And in this other way of writing it, we would use the words negative and opposite. So 9 plus negative 6, or 9 plus the opposite of 6. Last but not least, we have the lovely quadratic formula, and we're going to focus on that very first part where we have that symbol in front of the b. And in this case, you might hear minus, negative, or opposite. So I've heard students say minus b or negative b. I personally in high school was taught to say the opposite of b to avoid a sign error. Ultimately, we use the word that is most comfortable in a situation, but it's important to remember that they all represent the same thing.